Right, so we are in Gothenburg now at Volvo Museum. Check out this place. Yeah, and we're here with Mr. Major and Bjorn. Right, what are we doing here today, guys?
We're looking at Volvos.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Is that, oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're on a hunt today. We're on a hunt for the elusive P1900.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. 1900, yeah.
That's right.
I think it's 65 or 64 of them ever built.
Right.
But there could be one in...
All right, okay. We bought something though, a little bit special, yeah?
We've got the 240 and it's number 40 of the last 200 ever made. Björn's been driving today.
Yeah.
He's fallen in love with it.
How'd you feel, Bjorn? What was the drive? What was the drive down like? Yeah?
Not very quick, but
But we got here.
It's a bit difficult to ask a Fiat owner on a Volvo.
I must say there's a really beautiful Volvo there. Abetone.
Here we are in Gothenburg today at the Volvo Car Festival, and we're here with some more guys from the Knights of Sweden. All right, who we got today?
My name is Andreas Franzén.
All right, Andreas. All right, so you're down with a Volvo today?
Yes.
How many of you guys are here with the Volvos today?
Two.
Two cars, yeah? All right, I see one there.
And one there.
All right, okay, of course. What is it? It's a V70, yeah?
Yeah, it's a V70.
All right, can we take a closer look at this?
Yeah, of course.
All right. Right, it looks like you've done a few bits and pieces to the car. It's a nice wrap you got on there.
Thank you.
All right, what about the wheels? Are they standard? What's
No,
up?
these are aftermarket, but it looks like the OEM.
Yeah, they
but
do.
It's 19 inches
All right.
instead of 18.
All right, cool. All right, let's have a look in the back here. All right, you got some serious sounds back here. It looks like.
Yes, yes. This is the whole car is built with the Morel from Israel. It's every component is handmade.
Right, excellent.
So it's high definition sound quality. It's not the big bounces. It's like driving a concert every day.
That's how it should be, man.
Yeah.
Right, what else have you got then? This nice wrap. Where did you get the wrap from?
The wrap is from Tint and Wrap in here in Gothenburg. It's a friend of mine who owns it, so I love to promote the work and his company.
Right. Any other bits and pieces you've done to the car?
Yeah, you see the doors. You have the filters for the, and it's in every door the same way. It fits like perfect to the original doors.
Excellent. It's nice meeting up with you guys again.
Yeah, me too.
Let's talk again soon.
Yeah, have a nice.
Right, I'm here with, what's your name, sir?
Wim van Nieuwenhoven,
All right, where are you from?
Belgium.
All right, so you're here today. Are you driven all the way here?
Yes,
All right.
24 hours.
Right, I'm going to back up a bit so we can see what you're in. Right, explain to us now. What do you have here?
Well, it's a camper van posing as a hearse, which
right?
it was originally.
All right, so it's a hearse first though, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Now, interesting, very interesting. You're the only one of this I've seen today. What is it based on? What Volvo series is it?
It's a late 940 Volvo,
Right.
so it has all the good bits.
Has this car always been in Belgium, or have you?
Yes, it was used by an undertaker near Ghent, if you know the place.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Is it possible we can have a look and see how you've been camping in this? I can see already that you've got like a fridge unit next to you.
Yes, but that is nothing special.
That's just to keep your beers cold, yeah.
Well, and cider.
Now, all right.
So with the compliments of Nielsen Special Vehicles in La Holm, we did some transformations. First of all, when camping, of course, you need
The slide out.
a little table, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
And where to put your best clothing?
I've no idea. Oh, tremendous. Ingenious.
Yes, but that's not my work.
All right, okay.
That are the fine Nielsen boys and girls. And here we have the standard equipment of a holiday maker,
Yep.
meaning your little microwave.
Yep.
And if you want your eggs and bacon,
Oh, right, of course.
you need, of course,
Definitely.
all electric. And
Where did you get your electric from?
maritime milieu.
Right, okay.
So it's something out of the maritime business,
All right,
which makes regular power out of batteries.
excellent.
And there we have, of course, room enough for a bunk.
Oh, right, nice. And of course you've got disco lights and everything else in there, don't you?
No, I used to have. You're
Incredible.
not the first one. French and German police take a keen interest in seeing what's
Inside, yeah? All right, I can understand that.
okay.
But you've done a great job here. You're, like I said, you're ready to go across Europe and do whatever you want and wherever you want.
Always be prepared, like our special forces. Huh?
Listen, thanks a lot for showing us your car.
Okay.
Yeah, and
thank you for your interest.
hopefully we'll see you around at another event one day.
Oh, any country, any place.
So I hope you really enjoyed this show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden Live.